If I woke up tomorrow and I was skinny fat all over again, this is exactly what I would do to lose body fat and gain muscle as quick as possible. First things first, I would avoid making all the mistakes I made in the past, and that involves doing cuts and bulks and ultimately getting nowhere, jumping from program to program, hoping for different results, and doing silly things like keto, carnivore, fasting, excessive cardio, etc. Because all these things could also be a contributing factor as to why you're skinny fat in the first place. If you're lacking muscle and you have excessive body fat, then doing a bulk, you're just going to gain more body fat and not look how you want to look, leaving you with a mammoth of a cut to do at the end of it. And then if you do that cut successfully, you might end up just being a smaller version of skinny fat. And if you start with a massive calorie deficit, then you're very much likely to go catabolic and start to lose lean muscle tissue, which means you're going to be a smaller version of skinny fat. Then you're going to panic and jump back onto the bulk. And then you end up in what I like to call the bro cycle of literally jumping from cuts and bulks, taking 2 steps forward, 2 steps backwards. And that's actually how I ended up skinny fat in the first place. So the first step would be to avoid those mistakes. Now, the first thing I would focus on doing to fix skinny fat would be starting with a recomposition. And I wouldn't actually do it in the traditional sense of just eating at maintenance and hoping that you'd lose fat and gain muscle. I would be working out my calories precisely to know exactly what kind of target I should be hitting, exactly how many carbs, fats, and proteins I should be hitting. And I would immediately start tracking that to guarantee I'm on track. Because if you're just guessing your nutrition, your physique's going to look like you've guessed your nutrition because it's not definitive enough. Unless you've got amazing genetics or you're taking performance enhancing drugs, you're going to need to be precise with your diet. Now, to make sure that you can actually follow this along, I have a free nutritional blueprint. You can download that in the bio. That will show you how to work out your calories and set up your macros specifically for fixing skinny fat. Now, that'd be the first thing I do to actually start moving forward. So when I say recomposition, I'm talking about eating in a small calorie deficit with very high protein. The reason this is so powerful if you're skinny fat is it enables you to be in a calorie deficit, so you will be losing fat cells, but you're not too low of a deficit that you start to lose strength, muscle, and performance and risk losing even more muscle. And as a bonus, if you're still quite new to the gym or you haven't quite locked in hard enough, which if you're skinny fat, that might be the case, you can still gain a significant amount of muscle whilst doing this. Just for a quick example, this is my client Reese. This is entirely a recomp. Now, that did take 12 months. It was hard work. We did have to lower the calories gradually and we did have to train really, really hard. But this is what is genuinely achievable with mediocre, if not slightly below average genetics, with precise targets and precise training. So with Reese, we literally had a 500 calorie deficit. We then had 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body weight. And then we paired that with 3 days of training in the gym with a bias towards strength training. Because if you're overloading in the gym by adding reps and weight and you're hitting sufficient protein, but you're still in a little deficit, your body's going to lose body fat because it needs to, and it's going to start to adapt and gain muscle because it needs to. Because the reality is our physique adapts to what we put it through. So if you want to lose fat and gain muscle, we need to get stronger, but be in a small deficit. And then to make sure I fix skinny fat as quick as possible, I would also be tracking my photos to see what changes I'm seeing each week. I'll be doing my weigh-ins daily and see what the average pattern is. And then of course I would be tracking my lifts in the gym to make sure that I am adding reps, I am adding weight. And if something doesn't improve in say 6 to 8 weeks, I can then look at what I've tracked and make an adjustments. And to be honest with you, it really is that simple. The hard part is actually doing it, because if you're trying to hit a calorie target or go to the gym, but you've got a busy, stressful life, you work long hours, or you've got a social life where the 5 people around you are not dieting and they're just eating and drinking loads of crap, that's where it becomes a little bit tricky. So if it was me personally, and I was really concerned about fixing skinny fat, I would either learn to say no to certain social events that would set me off, try and hang out or find a group of men that are doing the same things that I am, or even hire a coach if needed. All these clients of mine kind of knew what to do really, but they struggled to actually implement it. And then when they'd hit a plateau or hit a wall because they weren't seeing progress, they would lose motivation and just fall off and sort of self-sabotage. So having the right strategy, the right plan, and then the accountability to actually implement it around your life is what it will take to lose body fat and gain muscle. So a quick recap: avoid cuts and bulks, focus on strength, make sure you're eating enough protein, review everything weekly, and if something ain't working, make an adjustment. And if you really, really struggle to stay on track, or you've been trying for years and you just need that accountability and guidance, you can work with me one-to-one, same way these guys did. There's a link below. Drop me a message and see if I can help you out. To download your nutritional blueprint, because that is where I went wrong for a good 6 years. I kind of just ate the right foods, chicken, broccoli and rice, and hope for the best, and I just didn't really get anywhere. And if you want to know exactly what I ate to fix my skinny fat physique, you can watch this video over here. Like and subscribe. You're supposed to say that at the start, aren't you? Whatever.